I know it's not a journey, but okay. What is it? I think this one is necklace. This one is jewelry. Okay. I think this one is jewelry. I must. Yeah. Okay. Let's open it. This is my first one. Okay. Let me see if there's anything on it. Like okay. There's no name inside. Okay. Some people want to remain anonymous. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Wow, this is beautiful. And it's huge. Whoa. Mamma mia. Is initials jewelry D. D for Dora. This is big. Wow. It has my initials on it. Dora. Wow, this jewelry necklace is beautiful. Whosoever that bought this one for me, thank you so much. May your pocket never run dry, okay? Wow, this is beautiful. Wow, I can't wait to rock it to church. Maybe I'm going to wear this one to church on Sunday. Wow, I have my initials on it. D, letter D. This is beautiful. Wow. I love this. It's so nice. Whosoever that got me this, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you're watching me, you know who you are. If you're the one that bought this one from my Amazon birthday wish list, thank you so much for the present, for my birthday present. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Oh, this is nice. I love it. It's so big. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, what is this one? Let's see. This is another one. Oh, okay. This one, let's see. A gift for you. God bless you for your wonderful work heart. Oh, let me read it again. God bless you for the wonderful work heart that you offer. Enjoy your gift from Beverly Young. Hey, Beverly Young. Thank you so much, Beverly Young. I'm going to say this on my live video tomorrow morning for my when I'm working at Beverly Young. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Beverly. What is this? It's just okay. It's just a ticket. Oh, Adidas hat. Yeah, I remember I put this one was on my Amazon wish list. Adidas. Hey, Miss Beverly. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much. Let's see. Okay, you know I have a wig on now. I have to adjust it. Yeah. I have to adjust it. Miss Beverly. Thank you. Ooh, I love my Adidas hat. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Thank you, Miss Beverly. Thank you. Oh, this is nice. Thank you, Miss Beverly. Miss Young. Yes, Miss Young. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this I know what this one is workout pants. Yeah, this is workout shorts. Ooh. Oh, this one does it have it? Oh, it doesn't have a name on it. Okay. Whosoever that bought this, thank you so much. I appreciate. May your pocket never run dry. It doesn't have a name. The person did not write something on it. Oh, this first set of workout pants. But there are natural feelings. Okay. Say hi to better you. Okay. Oh, workout pants. Workout shirts. Thank you. Oh, this is black. This is gray. Black, gray. I'm gonna wear one of these tomorrow morning for my workout. Black, gray, blue. This is blue. I think this size was large. Okay, large. It's gonna fit. It's stretchy. Yeah, large. I'll try one later after the last video. This us blood or red, whatever you call it. Okay, thank you so much. Whoever that got me this one, thank you. Oh my goodness, amazing, amazing followers. Thank you so much for the love. Okay, let's see this one. Let's see this one. This is the last one. Oh, this one has a ticket on it too. Let's see the if the person writes their name. Let's see. Enjoy the gift. Oh, Miss Chella Anderson. Miss Chella. Oh, Miss Chella Anderson always share my videos. Once she come on live video, the next thing she does is to share it her. Miss Chella Anderson, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Miss Chella Anderson. Thank you. Oh, what is this? Oh, pajama. Nightwear from Miss Chella Anderson. Oh my goodness. What is this? Okay, let's see. Is this one just like a bag? Miss Chella Anderson. Oh my God. It's okay, maybe it's for the people. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is nice. It's 3 sets. Yeah, 3 set pajama. Oh, this is nice. Silky pajama. This is a short. This is the long one. This is the long pant. Okay. This is the long pant. And this is the shirt. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Miss Chella Anderson. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's beautiful. It's nice. It's very cozy. I like the material, silky material. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, in case if you're out there, you still want to buy me a birthday present, I might still drop the link, or you can send me Cash App. My Cash App is $Dora Idemudia, my name and my last name together, DORAIDEMUDIA. Cash App sign DORAIDEMUDIA. That's my Cash App sign. If you want to send me Cash App, you're free. Why not? It's still my birthday week, okay? I'm gonna be celebrating all through the week, okay? Thank you so much. I love my present. I love my followers. And those of you that still send me stars on my live stream, thank you so much. May your pocket never run dry. Miss Anderson, thank you. Miss Young, thank you. And whosoever that bought this, their name wasn't on the package. Thank you so much. And what else again? Where's my hat? My hat. Maybe I might wear this one tomorrow. Yes, I'm gonna put on this one tomorrow from Miss Young. Yes, because tomorrow morning for my work, I'm just gonna take off my wig and wear my hat tomorrow. And my necklace. Oh, this neck is so heavy. It's so heavy. Wow, it's nice. I love this also. I love my present. Thank you, amazing followers. Thank you, amazing fans. Thank you so much. I appreciate my present. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. And also I want to give a big shout out to Discovery Natural. Okay, Discovery Natural, Miss Shola, Sola. Yes, Discovery Natural. Thank you so much, Mama, for the gift from TikTok shop. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And also to my best friend, Mama Sita. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate. I'm grateful. I'm overwhelmed. I'm joyful. Like I'm happy. Like my wish, what I really wish for my birthday, it came true for me. It came true for me. I'm grateful. And I bless Heavenly Father for that. That alone, I'm just happy. Okay, thank you all. I appreciate you. I appreciate every one of you. Please don't forget to follow me if you are new to my page. If you are coming across my page for the first time, don't forget to follow me. You're gonna love it here. We do low impact workouts. That even though it doesn't matter your age, you're from 40, 50, 60, 70s. I have people that are from 50s, 60s, 70s that are doing my workout. Okay, it's very easy workout, low impact workout that you will enjoy it. Okay, you're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye, everyone. Make sure to like, comment, share, uh, and yeah, like, comment, share the video. Okay, follow me for more videos. Okay, I love you all. Bye. Thank you for the gift. I am grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Thank you so much. I love my present. I love my gift. I love my gift. And to my children, thank you so much. Thank you, Abigail, for the breakfast. Breakfast in bed. Bye, everyone. Stay safe and stay blessed. One love, keep us together. Bye.